Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anand Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the reactions of 5-membered and 6-membered heterocycles. In 5-membered heterocycles, the reactions of pyrrole, furan and thiophene molecule, and in 6-membered heterocycles, the reaction of pyridine molecule. Let's see one by one. Number first is active pyrrole, furan and thiophene means 5-membered heterocycles towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. Friends, we know that these 5-membered heterocycles, pyrrole, furan and thiophene, it shows aromatic character. And also we know that aromatic compounds, it gives electrophilic substitution reaction. But it is very important to know that which position is more convenient for electrophilic substitution reactions of these 5-membered heterocycles, pyrrole, furan and thiophene. See in detail, the aromatic 5-membered heterocycles all undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, and the general reactivity order of these 5-membered heterocycles, pyrrole is more reactive than furan is more reactive than thiophene molecule. They contain 6 pi electrons which are loosely held and available for attack on electrophile molecule. Okay, basically this 5-membered heterocycles, it obeys Hakel's rule for aromaticity, means there is a 6 pi electrons and these 6 pi electrons are loosely bounded, means they are loosely available to attack on the electrophile molecule. This 5-membered heterocycles preferentially gives electrophilic substitution reaction at C2 position. Okay, there is one reason why the C2 position is more preferential to the electrophilic substitution reaction. See the below's reaction. Number first, the general 5-membered heterocycle, X means either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur. If there is a nitrogen, is called as pyrrole molecule. If there is a oxygen, is called as furan molecule, and there is a sulfur molecule, is called as thiophene molecule. See the general reactivity of this 5-membered heterocycles, the electrophilic substitution reaction. Addition of electrophile at second position, then it gives 3 resonating structures. See number first, when electrophile added at the second position, then there is a generation of carbocation. For stabilization of this carbocation, shifting of pi electron to next position, of carbocation from this position to this position, again shifting of pi electron, it gives positive on this heteroatom, means there is a 3 resonating structure. But when electrophile is added to third position, it gives only 2 resonating structure. And we know that more and more number of resonating structure, there is a more stability. Say electrophilic substitution at C2 position gives 3 resonating structure. Substitution at C3 position gives 2 resonating structure. That means the intermediate formed by substitution is more stable at C2 position. That means the substitution, electrophilic substitution at C2 position is more preferential than C3 position. Okay, these are the general reactivity of this 5-membered heterocycles, pyrrole, furan and thiophene molecule. See reactions of these heterocycles one by one. Number first is the reactions of pyrrole molecule. Number first reaction, there is a different types of electrophilic substitution reaction. Number first reaction is a halogenation. Pyrrole reacts with halogens so readily and gives tetrahalopyrrole molecule, and it is isolable product, and these are stable product. Okay, it gives 3 types of reactions. Number first bromination, number second chlorination, and number third is iodination. Okay, but substitution of electrophile is a takes place at this 4 position, means it gives tetrahalopyrrole derivative. See the number first reaction, the bromination of pyrrole is carried out in presence of bromine water and ethanol solvent. It gives 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromopyrrole molecule. Number second, the pyrrole in presence of sulfuryl chloride, means the chlorination of this pyrrole molecule is carried out in presence of chlorinating agent is a sulfuryl chloride and solvent ether. It gives 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole molecule. Number third is iodination. Is iodination of this pyrrole molecule in presence of I2, means iodine water, and aqueous Ki. Is a saturated solution of this Ki solution. It gives finally is a tetraiodo-pyrrole molecule. These are the number first reaction of pyrrole is a halogenation. Number second reaction, nitration of pyrrole. Generally, the nitration of aromatic compound is carried out in a presence of Strong acid mixture means the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid. But in case of these heterocycles, in the presence of strong acids, the protonation of this heteroatom takes place and there is a sometime ring opening mechanism. And to avoid this, the nitration of this pyrrole molecule carried out in the presence of this mild nitrating agent is a nitroacetate molecule. Okay, and presence nitroacetate at a low temperature, it gives the substitution of this nitro group at second position, means the product of this reaction is a two nitropyrrole molecules, means the nitration of pyrrole is a takes place is a carried out in the presence of this mild nitrating agent is a nitroacetate molecule at a low temperature, it gives two nitropyrrole molecule. Okay, same number third, sulfonation is also electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, generally the sulfonation is carried out in presence of strong acid, means H2SO4 or oleum, but in presence of this concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid or oleum, the protonation of this heteroatom is takes place and it loses the aromatic character, and to avoid this, the sulfonation of pyrrole is also carried out in presence of this pyridine sulfur trioxide complex under heating condition. It gives the substitution of sulfur trioxide group at the third position, and means the product of this reaction is a pyrrole 3 sulfonic acid, the number third reaction. Okay, then number fourth reaction is a very famous reaction, is a Wilsmer-Hague reaction. It is a formylation method, it is a formylation reaction. Generally this method is used to prepare the heterocyclic aldehyde molecule. Okay, it is formylation method in which the formylation of pyrrole is carried out in presence of the reagent DMF. DMF means dimethyl formamide, and phosphoryl chloride POCl3 gives pyrrole 2 carbaldehyde molecule. See the reaction, pyrrole in presence of DMF, dimethyl formamide, NN dimethyl formamide molecule, and POCl3 is a phosphoryl chloride. It is a formylation is a takes place at a second position, means it gives product pyrrole 2 carbaldehyde molecule. Okay, see the mechanism of this reaction. Number first step is the reaction between this DMF dimethyl formamide and POCl3. It gives this imide ion, and this imide ion in presence of this heterocyclic compound, it gives finally carbaldehyde molecules, means aldehyde molecule. It is a product of this reaction is a pyrrole 2 carbaldehyde molecule. Okay, these are the number fourth reaction is a Wilsmer-Hague reaction. Then number fifth reaction is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, so Friedel-Crafts acylation is also electrophilic substitution reaction. Direct acylation of pyrrole with acetic anhydride at a high temperature gives 2-acetyl pyrrole. Okay, generally for Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction there is two types of reagent. Number one is acetyl chloride and number second is acetic anhydride. But in case of this pyrrole molecule, the direct acylation of this pyrrole is a takes place is carried out in presence of acetic anhydride molecule at a high temperature condition. It gives acylation at second position, means the product of this reaction is a 2-acetyl pyrrole. Okay, see these are the reaction, the number fifth reaction. Okay, okay, these are the 5 reactions of pyrrole molecule. Then the reactions of furan molecule. Same number first reaction, furan also gives electrophilic substitution reaction similar to pyrrole. Number first reaction is a halogenation reaction. So furan reacts vigorously with chlorine and bromine at a room temperature to give a polyhalogenated product, but does not react with iodine molecule. The controlled conditions, bromine in DMF or dioxane molecule gives 2-bromofuran. Okay, basically this furan molecule is highly reactive with chlorine water and bromine water at a room temperature, and it gives polyhalogenated product, but under controlled condition in presence of DMF or dioxane molecule, it gives bromofuran molecule. See these are the reaction. Number first, the furan in presence of bromine water, and the reaction is controlled by DMF, it gives finally the 2-bromofuran molecule. The chlorination of this furan, same, this reaction is controlled by dichloromethane molecule, again it gives 2-chlorofuran molecule. These are the halogenation reaction of furan molecule. The number second is a nitration reaction. Same nitration is generally carried out in presence of concentrated acid mixture, but in presence of the strong acid, the protonation of heteroatoms takes place, and to avoid this protonation, simply the nitration of furan molecule also carried out in presence of this nitrating agent is nitroacetate molecule, and in presence of this nitroacetate molecule it gives finally 2 nitrofuran. Okay, number third reaction is a sulfonation of this furan molecule. The similar to pyrrole, again sulfonation of this furan molecule is carried out in presence of this pyridine sulfur trioxide complex under heating condition. It gives finally furan 2 sulfonic acid molecule. Okay, in case of this pyrrole, sulfonation is placed at third position, but in case of this furan molecule, the sulfonation is takes place at the second position. Same reagent in pyridine sulfur trioxide. Okay, then number fourth reaction is a Wilsmer-Hack reaction. Is again formylation reaction, means the formylation of this heterocyclic compound is takes place, and this reaction is called as Wilsmer-Hack reaction, and the reagent used for this formylation is a DMF and POCl3. See the reactions: furan molecule in presence of DMF, dimethyl formamide, and POCl3 phosphoryl chloride, it gives finally furan 2 carbaldehyde molecule. Okay, number first step is a DMF and POCl3. It gives imide cation, iminium cation, and this iminium cation reacts with this heterocyclic compound furan, and finally hydrolysis it gives the furan 2 carbaldehyde. These are the simple formylation method. Okay, then number fifth reaction is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Direct acylation of furan with acetic anhydride. Similar to pyrrole, the acylation of this furan molecule is also carried out in the presence of the strong acylating agent is acetic anhydride at a high temperature. It gives finally 2-acetyl furan. See the reaction: furan in presence of acetic anhydride, it gives finally 2-acetyl furan molecule. Okay, and then the Diels-Alder reaction. The Diels-Alder reaction, it is a different reaction. Okay, it's a simple 4+2 addition reaction. Basically this reaction requires, there's a two component. Number first is a diene molecule, and number second is a dienophile molecule. And in case of this furan it shows diene character because there is a 2 pi bonds, and due to these 2 pi bonds it shows diene character, and in presence of dienophile it gives Diels-Alder reaction. This reaction is called as 4+2 addition reaction. See the reaction: furan in presence of this ene molecule, it acts as a diene plus ene, means there is a one double bond, the C double bond C is a diene and dienophile. It gives finally addition product, and there is a two product. One is the endo adduct and number second is the exo adduct. These are the stereochemically different from each other. This reaction is called as simple Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, number 7 is a ring opening mechanism. Ring opening of furan molecule. Ring opening reaction of furan is by reacting with oxygen gas followed by hydrolysis of the strained ring. Okay, simply the furan in presence of oxygen, there is a ring opening takes place, and after ring opening it gives finally is a carbonyl compound derivative. These are the 7 reactions of furan molecule. Then next one is the reactions of thiophene molecule. Again thiophene, similar to pyrrole and furan, thiophene molecule also gives electrophilic substitution reaction, but the reactions of this thiophene is a little bit different from this pyrrole and furan molecule. See in detail. Number first is a halogenation of this thiophene molecule. Halogenation of thiophene occurs very readily at a room temperature. Number first, the bromination of this thiophene molecule is carried out in presence of brominating agent NBS. NBS means N-bromosuccinimide. It gives finally 2-bromo-thiophene product, means the substitution of this electrophile bromine takes place at the second position. Okay. Number second reaction, the thiophene in presence of this sulfuryl chloride. Sulfuryl chloride, it acts as a chlorinating agent, ether solvent. It gives finally 2-chloro-thiophene molecule, means the chlorination of thiophene also carried out in this sulfuryl chloride. Iodination of the thiophene molecule is also carried out in presence of this 2, means iodine water and Ki potassium iodide solution. It gives finally 2-iodo-thiophene molecule. These are the number first reaction, halogenation of thiophene molecule. Number second is a nitration. Okay, basically in case of this pyrrole and furan molecule, the nitration of pyrrole as well as furan is carried out in presence of mild nitrating agent is a nitroacetate molecule. But in case of thiophene molecule, the nitration is also carried out in presence of concentrated nitric acid as well as number second reagent is a nitrate nitroacetate molecule. See the number reaction of thiophene is carried out in presence of concentrated nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride. It gives finally 2-nitrothiophene molecule. Means simple thiophene in presence of concentrated nitric acid and acetic anhydride. It gives finally electrophile substituted product is a 2-nitrothiophene molecule. Okay, these are different from pyrrole and furan molecule. Number third, sulfonation. Okay, similarly, the sulfonation of pyrrole and furan is carried out in presence of pyridine sulfur trioxide complex. But in case of this thiophene molecule, the sulfonation of this thiophene is carried out in presence of number first reagent pyridine sulfur trioxide as well as sulfonation is carried out in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Okay, it gives product thiophene 2 sulfonic acid, means the substitution of the sulfonic acid group at second position that takes place. Okay, then number fourth reaction, Wilsmer-Hack reaction. It is formylation method, similar to pyrrole and furan molecule. Thiophene molecule is reacted with DMF dimethyl formamide and POCl3 and finally hydrolysis. It gives thiophene 2 carbaldehyde molecule. These are the simple formylation method. Next reaction is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Generally, in case of this pyrrole and furan, these two heterocycles, the acylation reaction is carried out in presence of acetic anhydride. But in case of this thiophene molecule, the acylation is carried out in presence of acetic anhydride as well as acetyl chloride in presence of tin chloride. It gives finally 2-acetyl thiophene. See, these are the two reactions. Thiophene in the presence of acetic anhydride, it gives same 2-acetyl thiophene, means acylation at second position is takes place. Same acylation reaction is carried out in presence of acetyl chloride and catalyst SnCl2, means tin chloride. Again it gives 2-acetyl thiophene molecule, means the acylation of this thiophene molecule is carried out in presence of acetyl chloride as well as acetic anhydride. These are the fifth reaction. Then next point is the reactivity of reactivity of pyridine to electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution reaction on the basis of electron distribution. Okay, see, in case of this 5-membered heterocycles, the electrophilic substitution at second position is more stable than substitution at third position, means at a C3 position, because when electrophile added to the second position, it gives 3 resonating structure, and when electrophile added to third position, it gives only 2 resonating structure. The more number of resonating structure, more is the stability. Similar to this pyrrole, furan and thiophene, in case of this pyridine, see, the pyridine basically it is a derivative of benzene, means in case of benzene, there is only one carbon is replaced by heteroatom nitrogen. Similar to benzene, pyridine also shows aromatic character. There is a 6 pi electrons, means 3 pi bond means 6 pi electron. The electron pair of this nitrogen heteroatom is not participate in the delocalization. Okay, and these 6 pi electrons, these are free to attack on the electrophile. See, the resonating structure of this pyridine molecule, fourth resonating structure, position 2nd, position 4th and position 6, it gains partial positive charge, and the remaining two position 3 and position 5, these are neutral position. See the resonance hybrid of this pyridine molecule, nitrogen position 2nd, nitrogen it gains partial negative charge, position 2nd, position 4th and position 6 it gains partial positive charge, means these three positions are favorable for nucleophilic substitution reaction, for the substitution of nucleophile, the addition of nucleophile. Okay, and the position 3 and position 5, these are preferable for the electrophilic substitution. See, in resonance hybrid, the partial charge developed on position 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, these positions are active for nucleophilic substitution reaction, and remaining positions, position 3 and position 5 gives electrophilic substitution reaction. These are the general reactivity of pyridine molecule. Okay. Next one is the reactions of pyridine molecule. Number first reaction, sulfonation of pyridine. Sulfonation is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, in earlier slide we have discussed the position 2, position 4 and position 6. They have partial positive charge in resonating structure, means these are favorable for nucleophilic substitution, and the remaining two, position 3 and position 5, these are the favorable for electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, and the sulfonation is electrophilic substitution reaction. The sulfonation of pyridine is carried out in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid at a high temperature, means under drastic condition it gives one product is a 3-sulfonic acid, pyridine 3-sulfonic acid, but reaction in presence of this concentrated H2SO4 at a high temperature, the yield of this product is a very low yield. Okay, but this same reaction, however, the addition of mercuric sulfate in catalytic amount gives a better yield for sulfonation. Okay, see the same reaction, pyridine in presence of concentrated H2SO4 and catalytic amount of this mercuric sulfate at a high temperature 2 to 0 degrees Celsius, it gives 70% yield. The product is pyridine 3 sulfonic acid. Okay, these are the number first reaction. Number second reaction is a reduction of pyridine molecule. The reduction of pyridine is easier than benzene molecule. Okay, so reduction of this pyridine in presence of H2PT, means is H2 hydrogen gas in the presence of platinum metal and acetic acid at a room temperature. The reduction of these 3 pi bond is a takes place and gives pyridine molecule, means pyridine in the presence of H2 gas and platinum metal and acetic acid at a room temperature, it gives finally piperidine molecule. Also, the pyridine molecule gives Birch reduction reaction. It is a pyridine in the presence of sodium and is a proton donor ammonia, ethanol solvent, it gives finally pyridine molecule, means the Birch reduction is a reduction of only one double bond, 1,4 reduction is takes place. Okay, the number third reaction is a Chichibabin reaction. Chichibabin reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. The pyridine molecule in the presence of NaH2 soda amide and ammonia, it gives finally pyridine to amine, means the substitution of nucleophile at a second position takes place. These are the nucleophilic substitution reaction, means the pyridine molecule, it gives both type of reactions, electrophilic substitution reaction as well as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction at position 3 and 5, and the nucleophilic substitution reaction at position 2, 4 and 6. Thank you very much.